Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the lecture portion of this class. So every day you're going to have, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, you're going to have at least one, maybe two 75-minute lectures to watch and complete, just like somebody would in class. And I've already tested this online. Students had a pretty good time with it. So let me explain how you are going to complete that. So the idea behind this class is that you're trying to make your life better and you're just trying to learn. So we don't have tests, but you are going to have to complete all the in-class discussions, free writings, and activities. So you're going to see those right here. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the assignment. Let me actually show you this real quick here. So every day you're going to have at least one of these due. These are the lecture sections. You're going to click on this video here, and that's going to open up a video. And you are going to play it from the beginning, and you are just going to take notes. You can type these in Word. You can write them in a notebook, however you want to do it. So you're going to take notes, and you are just going to write, reflect, think. When there's a group discussion, I want you to write your true thoughts down. So you're just exploring kind of all these ideas through this entire class. And so you need to have 2.5 pages of notes per lecture. That's worth 25 points right there. I'm going to go through and make sure you did all the discussions, the free writings, and the activities. Like we're going to be calculating how much protein you need, all kinds of things. We're going to be building workout routines, different things like that. So that's going to be worth 20 points, having all of those included. And then finally, you're going to have to ask a question. And a lot of times students didn't maybe ask a question right away. So throughout the lecture, whenever a question comes to your mind that you're interested in, ask that question in your notebook. And then you're going to star it or you're going to highlight it, because I have lots of pages to look through and I'm going to answer your questions. And so you need to have those marked for me so that I can see them. Otherwise, you'll lose 5 points. When we are doing these assignments, there is some privacy, right? Like we're going to talk about all kinds of things, mental health, relationships, all this stuff. And so I want you to be able to actually truly reflect and really put your thoughts down on paper. So if there's something that you're writing that you don't want to share, and there's plenty of students that do this, if they're in their notebook, they'll just cover it up with some sticky notes or some pieces of paper, the sections that they don't want to share. But you still need to make sure that I can see parts of your notes around the area so I can see that you still took the notes. And I think that comes back to this 2.5 pages of notes here. Sometimes students tried to really space their notes far apart, and then they would just kind of skip through and write down what was on the slides. It's fairly obvious when you're doing that, and if you are doing that, you are going to lose some points. So just make sure you're following along with the lecture, doing the discussions, the free writings, the activities, asking a question. If you have any privacy things, you can cover that up. If you're in a Word document, you can black all those words out, whatever you want to do. And yeah, I think that should be good. And then you'll submit this for grading. I will grade it. I will answer your question. And then we should be good to go. All right, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.